Hi, I'm Edward Johnson. I'm a furniture designer maker based on the south coast near Chichester. I have a small team that work with me, designing and making a range of furniture for private and commercial clients, from jewellery boxes to dining tables to mirrors, sideboards, a whole range. It's the solace, I suppose, when you're entirely focused on your projects and anything that's going on around you, you're completely oblivious to. That's really the special sort of time that you get as a cabinet maker at the bench. I have to say it's not something I get often nowadays. I'm very jealous of the lads that work with me. When you have that project and it's the one thing that you're focusing on for, potentially even 3 months, every day you're coming in, you're just paying your full attention to one tiny little element of it, whether that's cutting a dovetail or laminating a component, you're completely in the moment, and that is the best part of cabinet making. We're currently working on a really exciting project in the workshop. It's for a client that we've worked for many years now, and a slightly unusual request in some respects. He has a collection of three volumes of the Sistine Chapel printed in full size, and it's about A2 size in terms of print, and it folds out in sort of double page spreads. We have designed a lectern come sideboard come display unit that stores the books very carefully out of the sunlight in well protected drawers, and then has a display section above it that will actually be kiln formed glass that mirrors the Sistine Chapel's windows. It's in burr walnut. Actually a combination of walnuts. We're using European burr, the lightness and the sort of contrast in the burr, and the frame and edging of it is going to be American walnuts. We hope you can make it to the up and coming show in the Oxmarket in Chichester. It's going to be a fantastic show. So many of the members of the Society of Designer Craftsmen will be there, and we look forward to welcoming you, showing you all the fantastic work that we've all been whittling away in the corners of the country.